ElevenLabs has become one of the most popular AI voice generation platforms for creators, businesses, and content automation. Whether you want realistic voiceovers, AI narration, or text-to-speech audio, this tool makes the process surprisingly simple. So in this beginner-friendly guide, I'll show you how to use ElevenLabs in 2026. First, open the ElevenLabs website and create an account using your email address or Google account. Once you log in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. Now take a quick look around the dashboard. You'll usually see options for text-to-speech, voice cloning, projects, audio history, and voice settings. Next, select an AI voice for your narration. ElevenLabs offers different voice styles, accents, tones, and languages depending on your plan. After choosing a voice, type or paste your script into the text box. So you can add narration for YouTube videos, audiobooks, tutorials, podcasts, or business presentations. And honestly, the quality of your script has a huge impact on the final voice output. So using natural punctuation, shorter sentences, and conversational wording can make the AI sound much more realistic. And that's your beginner's guide on how to use ElevenLabs in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clear starting point for creating realistic AI voiceovers and audio content with ease.